I love the brass, man. I just can't touch it. It's too much for me, man.
Pennsylvania was nice up there.
If I ever hit the lottery, man, I'll dump my whole layout for a brass one, though. This is so cool, man. I'm born in Fox Valley model. 29. These are already weathered and everything.
There's a new ones that just come in. 3 different car numbers, Paris style.
Schlitz, that's the one I have right there.
PBR gut rot.
Yeah.